Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to install, start, and shut down ITS application. Please note that this video is protected by copyright. Do not use, copy, or modify without ITP technology permissions. Thank you. So after you download the application file from internet, you will get the main application zip file and the troubleshoot PDF manual. Please pause the video and read the manual first, and come back later when you're done. Hi, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to install our ITS correctly. ITS is a standalone application, so all you have to do is unzip the file and it's good to go. So before we unzip the file, please go to the properties and see the security option. And make sure this unblock option is checked. Okay, now I will extract the app to my desktop just for a demonstration. Okay, and before we start our ITS, we need to change its language into English. So go into the folder, go to our project folder, and click this app config file. You can see this locale is 中文汉, so we need to change it to English. So just type in EN stands for English, and save it, and close the file, and go back, and we can run our ITS. Then you will see this disclaimer. Just accept. Just wait for it. Once it's done, the browser will automatically open the login page. If your PC is running Windows 7, please install the Visual Studio 2015 redistributable package from Microsoft website. Okay, you can see our login page. You can see the address is 127.0.0.1, column 1123. And you can see our ITS is running in the background. So you can close the browser and reopen it by entering this address. Now I'm going to show you how to exit ITS. You can see the ITS icon in the assistant tray. Right click and hit exit and click yes. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. Next video I will show you the basic fundamental. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.